Imagine teaching a child how to recognize an apple. You don't write down a long list of rules like, it's round, red, sometimes green, smooth, or small. Instead, you just show the child many pictures of apples, and after seeing enough examples, they can recognize an apple anywhere. That's exactly how machine learning works. It's the science of teaching computers to learn from examples, to identify patterns, make predictions, and improve with experience. In traditional programming, we give the computer exact instructions, step by step. For example, if we want a program to sort numbers, we write the sorting logic ourselves. But in machine learning, we do something different. We feed the computer data, lots and lots of data, and let it figure out the rules on its own. Instead of saying, this is how you recognize a cat, we show the computer thousands of pictures labeled cat and not cat. Over time, it learns what makes a cat look like a cat. At the heart of machine learning are three main types of learning. 1. Supervised learning. Here, we train the computer with labeled data. For example, showing it emails marked as spam or not spam so it can learn the difference. 2. Unsupervised learning. This is when the computer finds patterns on its own, like grouping similar customers together based on their shopping behavior, without us telling it who they are. 3. Reinforcement learning. Here, the computer learns by trial and error, like how a robot learns to walk or a self-driving car learns to avoid obstacles by receiving rewards for correct actions. So, how does a machine actually learn? Behind the scenes, it uses mathematical models and algorithms to spot relationships inside the data. For example, in a house price prediction model, it learns that more bedrooms or a better location usually means a higher price. The more data it gets, the better it becomes at predicting future outcomes. You experience machine learning every day. When Netflix recommends what to watch next. When Google finishes your sentence in Gmail. When voice assistants like Alexa understand you. Or when your camera automatically detects faces. In simple words, machine learning is how we give computers the ability to learn from data, to adapt, to improve, and to make decisions just like humans. It's not about programming them to follow rules, it's about teaching them to learn. That's the future of intelligent technology.